Hey, what's up, my millionaire brothers? So today video is going very special, and today we discuss the what's going on in Theta. Theta is going absolutely going up, but this time you can see here the crypto market has totally gone down. You can see here Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, XRP, Tether, every cryptocurrencies goes down. So the market of crypto market is totally in the lost, my friend. But let's see to what's the result, what's the change occur, and what's the target of Theta Network. Absolutely, Theta is one of them. They also gone down. And what's the next? Theta is going up or Theta is going down. Absolutely, you can see here this time very critical situation, my friend. And I hope in upcoming days, in upcoming time, Theta starting moving up like a rocket. They jump very highly. But let's start the price prediction of Theta Network, my brother. But if you are new on our channel, then most welcome. Please click the subscribe button. Please complete my 10,000 subscribe. I hope, man, you do it, please. For latest news and updates, you also this is good benefit for you. Okay, so this time you can see here. First of all, I'm gonna show you the 1 hour chart. In upcoming days, what you say, can they going up or they going down? I think if you can see here this time, they take a very bad dump. They falls down 1.26%. They're going down, my friends. Totally they falls down, but after bad falls, they take a good jump. They're going up. Theta holders, congratulations, my brother. They're starting upward, and I hope in upcoming days they're going absolutely up. So let's see to what's going on in the last 24-hour chart. Absolutely very important. Then we decide today in upcoming time they're going up or they're going down. Oh my goodness, you can see here in the chart result. Oh my goodness, they absolutely, this is very small change occur. But if you can see, if you remember, I already start at the start of this video show you to the all crypto market is going down, and Bitcoin and StormX, these two cryptocurrencies. Theta Network brothers, today video has gone very special. You can see here because I told you today going up in upcoming time or they going down. So please, if you like this video, please like and complete my 100 like in this video. Just 100 like, very simple, very simple task. Okay, please complete it. This time, if you can see here, they're starting jumping up course. They can go up like a rocket in upcoming time. You can see here after very bad falls, I hope they take a very good jump and they are gone in the moon. So we are gone in the moon, my friends. Are you ready? Are you ready for moon? Yes, let's get started. This time I hope in upcoming time they're starting jumping. Congratulations, my brother. They are going up in upcoming time. They make you millionaire, and the price is and to just and 1 week, just and upcoming at the end of this month they can give you a 15 US dollar. I hope they can give you a 15 US dollar. What you say, can they can cross 15 US dollar? I hope they can cross US dollar. So let's see, my friend. For new updates, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.